Good morning to all my respected teacher, parents, and dear friends. Today, we are virtually gathered to celebrate this great national event. Independence Day is the national festival of India, observed on the 15th of August and celebrated with great enthusiasm and patriotism. We cannot imagine by sitting at the comfort of our homes how difficult it was for the Indians to achieve independence from the clutches of the British. From the First War of Independence 1857 till the Indian Independence Act 1947, it took several years of struggle in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives selflessly. This year, we will be celebrating our 75th Independence Day and we honor the memory of great warriors and freedom fighters. On the tantalizing morning of this holy day, with patriotic fervor and pride, every Indian's heart is filled with immense respect and love for the nation. Freedom is the most loving aspect of this era. It is something which we pine for. Auspicious day of independence, let us salute the martyrs who have let her flag flown high in the saffron and prosperous green hues. Chandrasekhar Azad once said, "If your blood doesn't rage, then it is water flowing through your veins. For what is the flush of youth if it is not of service to the motherland?" On this auspicious day of independence, we all should take a pledge to maintain the unity and integrity of India and celebrate it to commemorate the indomitable spirits of freedom fighters and political patrons of that time. It is because of them that we enjoy the fruits of freedom today. When we remember our real heroes, our freedom fighters, it always comes in my mind that भरा नहीं जो भावों से भरा नहीं जो भावों से बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं वह हृदय नहीं है वो पत्थर वह हृदय नहीं है वो पत्थर जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।
The years 2020 and 2021 have been trying times for all of us as this pandemic has entered our lives and disrupted what we call normal. So today, on 15th August, we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day at our school premises following new social distancing norms. The flag will be hoisted followed by our national anthem and flag song. 15th August is a day of great importance to us. Today is the day we celebrate our freedom as a nation.
Our freedom fighters have also taught us some lifelong lessons. Take a stand for what you trust in. If Mahatma Gandhi wouldn't have taken a stand for us, or if Bhagat Singh wouldn't have spoken for us, where we would have been? So, do not be afraid to speak. Do not hesitate to take a stand if you think something is wrong. Change starts from you. Don't ask or wait for change. Things will change only when you will start changing. If you want your colony to be clean, then start by cleaning your room. Our freedom fighters had dreamed of an independent India, and that is the reason why they were able to achieve it. So, never stop dreaming. Because if you stop dreaming, you stop living. So, on this occasion of Independence Day, let's make a promise to ourselves to always protect our country by maintaining brotherhood, helping everyone, and educating ourselves. Now, I would like to end my Independence Day speech with a few words. Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. Let's salute the nation on Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now, students from the pre-primary section will give an inspirational speech and a presentation honoring the freedom fighters.
Good morning everyone, I am Miss Mahira Rashid Ansari from Senior KG. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day India gained independence on the 15th of August 1947 at midnight. Our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru gave a powerful speech starting with the word at the stroke of the midnight hour when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. India is one of the largest democracies in the world, but let me remind you all that winning independence was not the end of our struggle. It was just the beginning of our greatest challenge, and that was to make us prosperous as the citizen of India should proud of its golden past. But at the same time, we also need to work to make our present and future better. Patriotism is a very deep and meaningful word, and its meaning changes according to the demand of time. A true patriot is that person who gives the best of his services in the development of his nation. So we all should contribute to our nation. Thank you.
Well said, Miss Mahira. We thank you and do agree with your views about patriotism. Just like tiny drops make up an ocean. Let's begin with small contribution like keeping our surrounding clean and caring for one another. So from here we move ahead from the upcoming program performed by my friends from primary section.
Living in the moment, you and all be together. Welcome to India. Welcome to India. Welcome to India. This is where it all started. Welcome to India. The trip you always wanted.
This was just the glimpse of determined, diverse, united and glorious India. तो दिल थाम के देखिए, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है दोस्तों. चला तर आता अधिक जवळून आपण अनुभवणार आहोत जुन्या भारताकडून नवीन, प्रगत व सक्षम भारताची वाटचाल. जे सादर करणार आहेत आमचे माध्यमिक वर्गातील मित्र. But before that, we have a speech in Marathi by Miss Kavya Vaigankar. So let's hear it from her.
आदरणीय प्राचार्य, सर्व शिक्षक आणि सर्व विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सर्वप्रथम आपणास 75व्या स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आज या शुभ प्रसंगी मी काव्या विनोद वायगणकर इयत्ता 4थी आपणासमोर स्वातंत्र्य दिनाचे एक छोटेसे मनोगत व्यक्त करीत आहे. तरी आपण सर्वांनी शांतता राखून सहकार्य करावे ही विनंती. तिरंगा झेंडा फडकतो, जय जयकार बोला, 15 ऑगस्टच्याच आपला भारत स्वतंत्र झाला. 15 ऑगस्ट हा दिवस भारतीय इतिहासातील अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा दिवस आहे. 150 वर्षांपेक्षा अधिक काळ ब्रिटिशांचे अन्याय, अत्याचार भारतीयांना सहन करावे लागले. आपला देश 15 ऑगस्ट 1947 रोजी इंग्रजांच्या गुलामगिरीतून मुक्त झाला. मित्रांनो, आपल्या भारताला स्वातंत्र्य मिळवून देण्यासाठी अनेक क्रांतिकारकांनी आणि अनेक शूरवीरांनी अथक परिश्रम केले. त्यांनी देशासाठी आपले जीवन समर्पित केले. आठवण स्मरावी त्यांची, ज्यांनी लिहिली स्वातंत्र्याची गाथा. क्रांतीसाठी जे झटले अन क्रांतीवीर झाले, त्यांच्या चरणी ठेवितो माथा. आजच्या या शुभ प्रसंगी आपण या देशाचे एक जबाबदार नागरिक, युवक म्हणून आपले सर्वांचे कर्तव्य आहे की आपण स्वतःसाठी न जगता आपल्या देशासाठी, देशाच्या हितासाठी जगणे आवश्यक आहे. कारण अडचणीच्या काळात आपला देशच आपल्या पाठीशी उभा राहणार आहे आणि सदैव राहील. उत्सव 3 रंगांचा, आभाळी आज सजला, नतमस्तक मी त्या सर्वांसाठी ज्यांनी भारत देश घडविला. मला येथे बोलण्याची संधी दिल्याबद्दल सर्वांचे धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
That was a lovely performance by the primary section. Dear friends, India is the planet's largest and oldest civilization. And before the Britishers invaded India, it was the wealthiest civilization. Now let us travel back in time and have a glimpse at our glorious past. India has always been a treasure trove of knowledge. Our country's illustrious past in the fields like science, medicine, architecture, literature, and many other areas of study has been lost, forgotten, or hidden due to innumerable invasions. For example, the first mention of solar system was found in the ancient Hindu text Rig Veda.
To make each one of us aware and proud of our history, I Nihal like present to you some of its discoveries and inventions. Like the most significant contribution to the world was the concept of zero by Aryabhatta. He asserted that the earth is round and it rotates in its axis and orbits around the sun. India established some of the first universities in the 4th century. The games of chess and snakes and ladders both was originated in India. Sushruta was regarded the father of surgery. The art of navigation and navigating was born in the river Sindh over 6,000 years ago. Indian classical dancing started around 200 BCE in India. People in India loved art, so they developed dancing in their culture. So Come, let us see the beautiful performance that connects into our culture.
भारत अनोखा राग है सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग
सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है ये प्यार का संगीत है
ये शादी का गीत है ये एकता का राग है भारत अनोखा राग सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है अनोखा राग है भारत के इस एक तारे पे गूंजे है जो जो रागिनी सब मिल गई एक धुन बनी
The Britishers undermined India by living off its revenues. They drained India's wealth out of the country for their own economic prospect. They ruled India for more than 200 years. The Britishers tortured Indians and exploited them while following the policy of divide and rule. Our freedom fighters fought for the nation to bring the freedom and sacrificed their lives while doing so. They faced pain, immense suffering, and hardship to stand against the Britishers and their troops in the process of achieving independence. Hence, they are considered the quintessence of patriotic people. Inspirational poems were written and songs were sung in that era by famous social reformers, which influenced and motivated the minds of the Indians about the importance of freedom.
Good morning everyone. I am Anushka Sandeep Kharat from class 5C. I will now recite an inspirational poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear, written by Rabindranath Tagore, which was originally written in Bengali. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
केशव सूत यांची तुतारी ही स्फूर्तिदायक कविता आज मी तुम्हाला ऐकवणार आहे. एक तुतारी द्या मज आणून फुकीन जी मी स्वप्राणाने भेदून टाकीन सारी गगणे दीर्घतीच्या त्या किंकाळीने अशी तुतारी द्या मज आणून विक्रम काही करा चला तर हल्ला करणार या दंबावर या भंडावर शुरांनो या त्वरा करा रे समतेचा ध्वज उंच धरा रे नीतीची द्वाई फिरवा रे तुतारीच्या या सुराबरोबर सुराबरोबर.
enjoy a song sung by our school choir.
निकल के कूद करे मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी गलियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लह जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
We now present to you a mashup dance by our students.
वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया करो कुर्बानी संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम दिन ये घर सुना सुना है मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बारी सी मस्त मन की, थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली तक 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 जिनमें हो जुनून वो बंदे लाल लहू की। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, और मोहित रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहित रंग दे बसंती।
75 years ago, on this day, India took baby steps to become one of the largest democracies in the world, overcoming a plethora of challenges to earn global recognition. India has come a long way since independence, leaving behind a string of landmarks that define its journey from the agony of partition to a strong, powerful and developing nation. India has several achievements to its credit. It has built a modern economy, remained a democracy, lifted millions out of poverty, has become a nuclear power, and developed a robust foreign policy. Let us take a look at the developments of our nation since independence.
India took a democratic leap by conducting its first general elections in 1951. From the very first day after independence, India gave every adult the right to vote. India hosted the first ever Asian Games in the year 1951 in New Delhi. And connecting to the sports section, we have seen that India has won 7 medals in Olympics 2021. India became one of the 5 nations in the world to launch a nuclear submarine named INS Arihant.
Amongst all the achievements, we take this opportunity to appreciate the unforgettable contributions of all the Corona warriors. No words are enough to express our gratitude towards them who have cemented their position as the foremost champions of humanity, saving mankind as it was staring at an existential crisis.
ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। मिट्टी की है जो खुशबू, तू कैसे भुलाएगा। तू चाहे कहीं जाए, लौट के आएगा। नई नई राहों में, दबी दबी राहों में, खोए खोए दिल से तेरे कोई ये कहेगा। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा।
This pandemic has proved that health is the best asset a man can have, and health reminds us of yoga. Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. The art of practicing yoga helps in controlling an individual's mind, body and soul. Citing its importance, the United Nations General Assembly has declared June 21st as the International Day of Yoga. So now let us see students performing 12 poses of Surya Namaskar.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य.
Dear friends, we may have come to an end of our program, but it is not an end to our spirit of celebrating our independence. Today and forever, let us remember the golden heritage of our country and feel proud to be an Indian. Let us salute the martyrs on this day for their sacrifice and thank them for giving us a bright today. Let us nurture this freedom and justify it by doing our best for our country, not only for a day, but for a lifetime. It lies in our hands now how we shape and form the future of our country. So let us make a promise to ourselves to do our best for our nation and mankind. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
On behalf of Thane Police School and the entire fraternity of the institute, I, Neelam Shirke, would like to thank the students, the parents and the teachers who worked round the clock putting in hard work and effort to make this program a great success. I also want to sincerely thank our technical arrangement team, the people who worked behind the scene to execute this video. Thank you.